In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Stripe. If you are managing payouts in multiple markets, setting the right settlement currency in Stripe helps you avoid unnecessary conversions and makes your accounting cleaner. Let's walk through how to do this clearly and confidently. First, sign into your Stripe dashboard and head to Settings. From there, open the section called Bank Accounts and Scheduling. This is where Stripe manages where your money goes and in which currency it's paid out. On that page, click Manage Currencies. This brings up the list of currencies your account can settle in and how those payouts are currently routed. To start receiving payouts in a different currency, you'll need to add a bank account that matches that specific settlement currency. For example, if you want payouts in euros, you must provide a bank account that can receive EUR. The same goes for GBP, USD, or any other supported currency. Stripe requires a separate dedicated account per second settlement currency so that funds can be paid out without conversions. When you add the account, enter the correct banking details exactly as your bank provides them, and make sure that account actually supports the currency you've chosen. If your bank offers multi-currency accounts, confirm the exact currencies those accounts can receive before you proceed. After you save your new bank account, Stripe may ask for a quick verification. This is normal and helps keep payouts secure. Once verified, Stripe will route payouts in that currency to the matching bank account, according to your existing payout schedule. If you don't add a matching bank account for a given currency, Stripe will automatically convert those funds into your default currency before paying you out. This keeps your payouts flowing even without a dedicated account. But it does mean exchange rates and conversion fees may apply. If your business regularly receives payments in a specific currency, adding a matching bank account can reduce conversion costs and improve clarity in your books. A couple of tips as you wrap up. Availability of certain currencies and payout methods can vary by country and business type. So check what's supported for your account. Also, keep your bank account details up to date in the same bank accounts and scheduling section to avoid payout delays. And if you change your banking setup later, return to Manage Currencies to confirm everything still routes the way you expect. That's it. You went to Settings, opened Bank Accounts and Scheduling, clicked Manage Currencies, and added a matching bank account for the settlement currency you want. If you don't, Stripe converts to your default currency automatically. Thanks for watching.